guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. I'm going to be testing out a product that insert name here had kindly sent me their products. I'm in the season right now where I need to wear wigs and extensions and protective styles because I need it locked away. Listen, sis, I got you, okay? There's videos coming up to tell you why I need to do that. But for now, let me just talk you through the product. So there is a process of ordering what you want from insert name here. I'm going to use the original clips that I did a year and a half ago to help you understand, because sis, I've already opened it, okay? I've already opened it. All right, so I'm just going to briefly let you know what's inside the package, and then we're going to do the application. First of all, I'd say, yeah, love the packaging. Even on the envelope, I can't show you. It says, we're excited to see you too. Excited to see you too. Love it for marketing. Now, what they do is, see this little piece here? So if you can see this little fasten here, once this part is open, it is yours. You cannot refund it, okay? Now, I think this is a genius thing inside. They've got a top flap here where it's a piece of the actual hair, just a color match. If this doesn't match your hair, then you can put this back and return it. However, if this little piece here is clipped off so that you can open and take out the pieces, my darling, it is yours. You got to keep it. All right, so we are doing this. Oh, it's definitely mine now. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this is the Chloe. Welcome, Chloe. And I'm just gonna go again, just put it up against my hair and show you. That is not bad. Okay, first of all, my hair's not done, okay? It's ready to be washed, okay? So it's looking ratatata. All right, so this is me testing out the color. This color is black brown. It's not the right color, is it? So we're gonna have a problem. It's not the right color shade, but hey, that's all right. We're gonna work it. I know how to finesse it, okay? Take her out of the bag. And the hair doesn't look as new as it did look a year and a half ago. It's still got its shine there because I've looked after it, okay? It's synthetic hair, so I've really got to look after it. So anyway, that's one piece. All right, so some of the hair looks a bit ratatata. I'm not sure if I want to brush that out. It's not looking too bad. I believe we can go for it still. We're good, we're good. Right, all right, so first things first, I need to divide my hair from side to side because I'm doing a half up, half down. Okay, so I've done the parting, separated it into two, and I've got to make sure now I do not put the bun at the top of my head because it's just going to look like, what's the word? It's just going to look over the top Barbie, and I don't want that. First of all, I'm just going to use my Mel's Butter Me Up. If you don't already know, the Mel's Butter Me Up is the signature product that I opened Amare-Me with. It's my brand if you don't know. I'll leave the details down in the description bar below. I just need to soften my hair. I know my hair's soft already. I don't want to put water on it because it will be very curly and it will be very noticeable. So now I need to put the back in some kind of a knot or ponytail just to tuck it away. Now the back is done and that's tucked away very loosely. I feel like for me, top knots don't look very nice, but I do feel like my hair looks a lot better when the ponytail knot is here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm using this Gummy Professional Styling Wax, and this has an ultra hold. I love this stuff. And actually we have a product right now that's being tested. That's gonna be one of the added lines for Amare-Me. Just clip it there. Before I tie it, I'm just going to try and see if I can do some edges. Not too crazy. We're not doing craziness. I'm 51, okay? Okay, right. Whew. It's a workout. Work out. I've got 3 of the lovely weft clippings here and also the ponytail to add on. All these 3 are different sizes, so I've just got to work out which one will go and wrap round without you seeing them in my hair. I just like to say that these wefts are really well constructed. The clipping pieces are really strong as well. They're not wimpy little ones that are going to break after one use. So let's put that away. There. Okay. And then we're going to put the larger one, because let's just check if the larger one, oh, we're good. So this needs to just clip in wherever I can put it, okay, basically. Right, so we're clipping it wherever we feel it needs to go. And that was pretty easy and very secure. Love that. Open the clips. And we're going to put her right here, just to give it some more dimension and some volume. Yeah, I think that should cover up my bun. Oh, look at that, that's gorgeous. You can see how this is just addictive to wear these extensions, because it gives you that instant look. It's, you know, you're carpet ready, aren't you, with these? So pin in, put that pin in there. Now, put that side round there, and, oh goodness, take the hair round. This hair piece goes round. And securely sticks on. There we go. Wrap around again. And then the hair goes over the Velcro part, and that will stay. And as it comes with 2 bobby pins, just use the bobby pins to secure it underneath. Look at my hair. I've got to do something about that. Now to secure my hair. Ta-da! There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, lovely, isn't it? So I think it's safe to say that this is a winner. It's a winner. I love it. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll leave all the details in the description bar below for you, and I'll leave a discount code. I'm going now because I'm literally melting. All right, don't worry about this. If you watch me for long enough, you know I'm going through my menopause. Whew. Now, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Please like it, because it really helps me. And comment. I want to know what you think about this. Does it look nice, darling? Guys, thank you so much. You've been amazing. I'll see you again in my next one. And remember, Jesus loves you. Mwah. Bye.